Welcome back. Let's break down the top crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the majors, with levels, targets, and entry-exit scenarios. Hey everyone, let's dive right into Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies. Right now, BTC is trading at approximately $61,868.57, with a recent price change of plus 0.62%. This slight uptick indicates a potential upward momentum, but we must look deeper into what's driving these trends. One of the crucial aspects of Bitcoin's price action is identifying key support and resistance levels. Support around $60,000 has historically held strong, acting as a cushion against downward pressure. On the flip side, resistance levels near $65,000 could present challenges for Bitcoin to break through. The broader market sentiment, regulatory news, and macroeconomic factors are all playing pivotal roles in BTC's price movements. If you're tracking Bitcoin, keep an eye on these levels, as they can guide your decisions. Remember, it's essential to stay informed about what's influencing these trends, as Bitcoin often sets the tone for the entire crypto market. Let's see how Ethereum is faring next. Now, let's shift our focus to Ethereum, currently priced at around $1,726.67, witnessing a gain of plus 1.68% recently. Ethereum's performance is often closely tied to Bitcoin's trajectory, but it's crucial to analyze the ETH-BTC ratio too. This ratio can give us insights into how Ethereum is performing relative to Bitcoin. If the ratio is rising, it indicates Ethereum might be gaining strength against BTC, which could attract more speculative trading. Key support for Ethereum sits around $1,650, while resistance appears at the $1,800 mark. If ETH can break above this resistance, it could signal bullish momentum, but if it falls below support, that could be a red flag for traders. Overall, Ethereum's setup looks promising, especially if BTC continues its upward trend. But remember, keep an eye on that ETH-BTC ratio to gauge market dynamics effectively. Next, we'll explore the altcoin landscape, focusing on Sol, XRP, and more. All right, let's dive into the altcoin scene, looking at notable players like Solana and XRP. Solana is currently priced at $81.11, while XRP is around $1.11. Both of these altcoins exhibit higher volatility, often referred to as higher beta names, which means they can amplify Bitcoin's price movements. When Bitcoin rises, altcoins like Sol and XRP can see even larger gains, but the reverse is often true during market downturns. If BTC continues to strengthen, expect Sol and XRP to potentially follow suit, but with greater price swings. For instance, if Solana can hold above the $80 level, it may target new highs, while XRP needs to maintain above $1 to stay bullish. However, if Bitcoin starts to falter, these higher beta names could face sharper declines. So keep your eyes peeled on Bitcoin's price movements, as they can dictate the trend for many altcoins. Now, let's discuss some educational scenarios for entry and exit strategies. Let's talk about entry and exit strategies in this volatile crypto market. For Bitcoin, an educational entry scenario could be to consider buying around the $60,000 support level. If BTC manages to bounce off this level, it may provide a good entry point with a target near the resistance at $65,000. Conversely, if it breaks below $60,000, that might invalidate the bullish thesis, signaling a potential exit. For Ethereum, an entry could be at or near the $1,650 support, targeting $1,800 for exit, while also keeping in mind that if it falls below support, you might want to reevaluate your position. For altcoins like Solana and XRP, similar strategies apply. Identify strong support levels for entries and resistance for targets. However, always remember, if Bitcoin starts to decline significantly, it could impact all these altcoins negatively, and that's where your initial thesis could fail. It's crucial to stay vigilant and adapt your strategy to the ever-changing market dynamics. Let's wrap it up with the bottom line. As we wrap up this analysis, let's reflect on what the crypto market is signaling about risk appetite. Currently, Bitcoin's upward trend suggests a healthy risk appetite among investors, which often spills over into altcoins as well. When Bitcoin is performing well, it tends to boost confidence across the board, making it an exciting time for crypto enthusiasts. However, it's essential to remember that the main risk in this environment remains market volatility. rapid price swings can happen, and while the current sentiment may be bullish, it can change quickly. Keep an eye on Bitcoin, as it often leads the charge for altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. Understanding these dynamics can help you navigate the market more effectively. Always stay informed and ready to adjust your strategies as the market evolves. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a breakdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What are you watching, and what should I cover next? This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Trade safe. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates us to keep making these for you. And join my free Telegram channel for daily alerts with exact entry and exit prices. The link is in the description.